Oh, I saw your question here. They give you this two-way table. They want you to, this one, part D, be similar to part B. They want you to find probability of being female or not being involved. So this row here is the females, and this column's not involved. Since it's an or, it's going to be the probability of female plus the probability of not involved minus probability of female and not involved. You want to subtract out the items you count twice. So probability of being female, if you look at this row, there's 1,399 out of a total 2,869 female. So that's what part you have a female. And the part that's not involved. Well, this is part not involved. You got 1,540 out of 2,869 not involved. Then minus, you got to count what you overlapped. You counted this 746 both in the row and column, and so you got to subtract 746 over 2,869. So I just combined the numerators I add, subtract the numerators here, and I got 2,193 over the 2,869, which gives me 0.7644. They would just want you around at the third place. Hope that helps.